Hey guys, so right here I have my combat boots from SM Wholesale, and I was gonna open them on YouTube this time. So let's see how this turns out. Got my handy dandy K-bar right here. This one's original from World War II. I hate these kinds of boxes. Ooh, okay, so we open up to, I believe, the sole of the shoe. Oh, that's nice. So here's the bag with them. Okay. Sweet. And it's in a fat knot, so let's cut this knot. Still cute. There we go. Oh yeah. And here's the boot. We call them double buckle boots because of up here. They have two buckles. But yeah. Look at these things. They already look worn in too. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but man, I gotta try them on. There's some filler in here. Yep. There's filler. It's all the way at the toe, so it's hard to get. Okay, unlatch the buckles. Now, I don't know if I need to wear gaiters with these. I don't have a pair of gaiters. So, oh, it's got this, like, stamp in it. June 30th, 1943. That's cool. Let's put them on. That failed. Now let's try and put it on. Now I gotta tie them. Uh-oh. There's a knot that I tied in on accident, but whatever, we'll leave it. I'll leave it in for now. Tie shoes. And tuck in the laces, and then we gotta buckle them. There we go. Okay. Here's my boots. Oh man. I need to wear these things in, like, very bad. It's like the weirdest step too. So like your heel goes first, go flat down, and like the heel portion of it, the boot does not bend whatsoever. So let's put the other one on. Like I said in that last video, just raw, unedited footage, so that will change in the future though. I'm sorry about this, guys. No knot this time. These have the same stamp in it. June 30th, 1943.
So guys, it's a few days later. Sorry about this gap of no videos, even though I said soon. But yes, I've been wearing the boots a lot. I've worn them in a lot. Now they have their own bend. I would recommend getting some inserts, because they can get pretty uncomfortable. Yeah, I only have one on right now. Again, is the insides. And here's sort of what they look like on. They're really comfy after you put the inserts in them. I love these things. Yes, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Anyway, thanks for watching. But hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.